Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can edit Mailchimp audience name in Mailchimp. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here simply on audience, and if you have multiple audiences, you're gonna see it here that you can choose. Now just click view contacts, and here you want to click on settings and audience name and default. When you're going to be here, you can simply change the audience name to something else like WordPress newsletter. And then that's probably it. So save audience. And right here, you can see that I get like WordPress newsletter audience name. That's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.